Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I thank the Honourable Member. Madam Speaker, before I respond to the Honourable Member, I wish to go back on to the request made by the Honourable Pramod Chand on the report. My yes is subject to that I will need to check with Nasir Town Council on that. I just want to put it on record. Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I thank the Honourable Member, and I wish to clarify that any sunken vessel within the port boundary is the responsibility of the Fiji Ports Corporation Limited as stated under the Seaports Management Act 2005, which includes Sinuwasa 1, that is at the off. So in this case, I will speak for Sinuwasa 3, Sinuwasa 3, there is 1 and 3. 3, because it is out of the port boundary. Madam Speaker, as a result of TC Winston, Sinuwasa 3 is still stuck into the solid rocks. And in this case, the Maritime Safety Authority of Fiji will oversee the removal of this wreck as the incident had occurred outside the declared port boundary. For the information of the House, Honourable Madam Speaker, MSF has issued a removal notice to the ship owner, and both parties have discussed the removal of this ship. The ship owner has engaged a company for the removal of the ship and had purchased equipment from overseas to assist with the operations. Madam Speaker, the owner has also requested for some time because that ship needs to be cut and removed. Thank you, Madam Speaker.